Hi, friends. Welcome to Satsuma Designs. I'm Jennifer. If you're like me, you're always looking for great new tips and techniques to enhance your online marketing for your product-based business. And I found a great one over at Funnel Gorgeous. Julie and Kathy there have 8 ways to enhance your sales page. And I wanted to show you one of those. Social media and social proof are great avenues to pull in testimonials, whether it's text, email, through your feed. And an easy way to do that is by screenshot in whatever device you prefer. Next, I'm going to open my Canva. I have my Canva account open here. I subscribe to the Pro version, which is $12.99 a month, and I find it is very worth the money. I use this tool nearly daily. My first step is I'm going to edit an image. So I've pulled in my screenshot. Over here on my left navigation, I'm going to go to Elements. And Julie teaches that once you have your piece of testimonial, you want to pull out the phrases and words that will help your readers get through the content quickly, especially for people that are skimming your content and getting into your call to action. This is a great way to do it in a very visual storytelling way. So my next step, I'm under lines and shapes. I'm just going to pull this straightforward line here. I can adjust the line weight if I like, just bold it up a bit. And then with Canva Pro, you can preload all of your brand colors and assets. And so I click on this button here, and I'm going to go into my brand colors. Well, that's great. This testimonial is fun. This gal said that I'm awesome and inspiring, and that is shocking to me and very complimentary. So at least one person thinks it. But next I want to pull in a little more action over here to get the eye moving. So I found this fun party cone that I'm going to spin around so that the movement is kind of moving towards the copy and what I'm trying to convey. I'm going to go ahead and change the color there using my brand colors. And there we have it. I'm ready to download. And in Canva, to do that, you simply click share and you'll be able to download, pull that into your sales page, and you'll be good to go. So if you found this helpful, subscribe to my channel. I'm also going to include a link to Funnel Gorgeous's primer, those 8 ways to really excite your sales page and jack up those conversions like you need it to happen. All right, see you next time. Bye-bye.